Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of HD12. It comes with an AMOLED display, 1.75 inches, and the body size is 40 mm. So if you like compact and smaller smartwatches, this is the version to get, and you can buy this on AliExpress. Link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing. We are going to unbox this and see all of its features, and I ordered this in black color. You can order it in pink, green, purple. So let me peel the plastic off. Judging by the weight of the box, it is actually very thin and lightweight. So let's see what's inside the box. We have user manual, which we actually don't need. It's really easy to pair these watches, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So here we have the watch, very lightweight actually, and we have magnetic cable for charging. Do not pair this with fast charger, just use it with the regular 5 volts charger. So I mean guys, the weight is really light actually, but it's not cheap. The material they are using, it's not that cheap. And as you can see, on the side we have button and power button, and on the left hand side we have a speaker grill. So on the back we have a heart rate sensor and different sensors, which I'm going to show you. So let's just turn this on. And as you can see, it is using real AMOLED display. Blacks are really deep blacks. So let me just first skip this process. I believe there is a yeah. And you can choose you can select the 12-hour format and 24-hour format, which is also very good. So let me just skip this as well. We are going to pair this with our mobile. Just wait, I'm going to show you first a quick look of the watch. So wrist to wake feature is not enabled. I'm going to enable it in a mobile setting. I believe there is a setting in mobile application. So here's our watch, and the colors look really amazing guys. Let me change this. If by pressing the power button you can go into list menu. As you can see, it's very fast, very fluid, as you can see. So let me just change the watch face and show you the bezel size. And as you can see guys, the bezels are very thin, as you can see, and the display is a little bit curved display, but the bezel size, I'm really impressed by the bezel size guys. It has actually 1.75 inches display. So, and the colors are really good as well because of AMOLED display. So let's check out another watch face. This one looks really good. And here we have activity, heart rate. So let me just peel the plastic off from the back as well. And as I was mentioning, we have heart rate, and it's actually not measuring. So as you can see, please wear watch properly. So that means they are using a good sensor in this one. So sleep tracking as well, weather, music application, and you can add more applications. I believe workout only, I believe you can add. I really don't like the power button placement. Actually, it's very hard to press. So they should improve that. But on the left hand side, as you can see, we have a speaker grill. So if I swipe from the top, you get a quick menu, quick settings. You can change brightness, and you can open torch application. Let me just show you quickly, which is very handy. And the brightness is also very good. So display quality is amazing guys. In this price range, I cannot complain. And if I swipe from the bottom, we have notifications, quick settings. If I swipe from left, here is our menu. You can change this to another menu style. This one is also very smooth. This one also looks very good. as you can see. The watch is overall very smooth, guys, compared to MT26. So this one is also very good. So I really like the list menu, honestly, guys. It's very easy to use. You can set as per your liking, but I really like the list view. And it also has telephone. You can make calls and receive calls with it. So let me just pair it with FitCloud. FitCloud, we have the application is FitCloud Pro. So let me just add it. Click on watch. And we get a pop-up. Let me just confirm it first. And binding successful, as you can see. Very easy to pair it with your iPhone or Android device. So let's see how many watch faces we are getting. So I believe there are not many watch faces available in FitCloud Pro application. And as you can see, you can change the wrist position as well, left hand or right hand, because this watch is specifically for women as well. They can wear easily because the weight is very light compared to other smartwatches. And it comes with purple, pink color as well options, different options they have for female users as well. So you can change, you can select customize watch face as well. And here are all of the watch faces. It's honestly, guys, not that much good compared to other smartwatches. They are very bright and poppy, as you can see, which I really don't like. So that's all. Very few watch faces in the application, which I honestly don't like. You can select your customized watch face as well, so you can put your photo, or you can change the position of the time, but unfortunately you cannot change the font color of time, which is very annoying. They should make this option in every smartwatch. So let me just set this watch face and see how long it takes to install. It's actually taking very long to install a single watch face, which I really don't like. They should made it faster compared to HK9 Ultra 2. Currently in HK9 Ultra 2, watch face installation of watch face is very fast. So as you can see, it's taking a lot of time to install a single watch face, which is very annoying. So I skipped the process, and let's see. But the watch face is looking very good because of AMOLED display. Display quality is also very good. As you can see, the text are really crisp and clear. And here, as you can see, I am wearing HK9 Ultra 2. The size comparison, it is very thin compared to HK9 Ultra 2. HK9 Ultra 2, by the way, is my daily driver. I use HK9 Ultra 2, and it is one of the best Apple Watch Ultra 2 clones. So as you can see, it's the size comparison. It is a copy version of Apple Watch Ultra 2, which I usually wear. So let's see how it looks on my wrist. This one looks very tiny compared to HK9 Ultra 2. It also does not have a palm gesture, but the wrist to wake feature is working very, very good, as you can see. So wrist to wake feature is also working good. And let's check the heart rate sensor. Actually, it took a while to measure, but now it's measuring. So they are using a good sensor in this one, but I have to compare it with the Apple Watch Series 7 first. I believe that they are using a good sensor. In HK9 Ultra 2, you can measure the air as well, which is very annoying. They are not using that of a good sensor. So the smoothness of this watch, guys, is amazing. Actually, in this price range you cannot get any smartwatch that offers that many features. So as you can see, very smooth. So let me just show you always on display how it looks like. First, let me just go into digital clock, and we do not have palm gesture, so wait for it to turn off. So as you can see, the digital always on display looks really good. I really like this one actually, and it's not that much dim compared to other smartwatches. So let me just change it to analog now. And as you can see, analog looks okay, but digital one looks very good. So we have screen time. As you can see, we can change that one as well to 30 seconds. And battery, you can turn on power saving mode as well. Here are the languages. You can pause and read. QR code for application installation. Dynamic island. Dynamic island I usually don't turn on because it looks very annoying in the screen. So as you can see, it cuts half of the watch face, which is very annoying. I usually turn this off. So let me just turn that off again. So overall, guys, if you want this watch, I 100% recommend you to purchase this. Link is in the description, and you can buy it from AliExpress. Let me just show you voice assistant. If you press it, Siri will turn on your mobile phone. And we have workout. Let me just show you animation for workout. Here, as you can see, it looks very good. And currently it's not measuring our heart rate. If I put my finger, let me just show you quickly. If I put my finger, it automatically measures, as you can see, which is very good. So let me click end. We have blood pressure sensor as well in this one, blood oxygen, blood pressure. So in this price range, these are amazing features, guys. And I 100% recommend you to buy this watch. If you want to purchase this watch, link is in the description. You can buy it from AliExpress. It usually take around 10 days to deliver. So as you can see, we have camera application as well, so you can click by pressing on the screen. You can click your photos. So overall, the watch is really good, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.